know how I got in here, but I did. Ooh. Oh, we're gonna have an awesome motor on this. Oh, hurry up. What do we have here? We might have a whole bunch. There's one here. We're at this one. There's one here. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of elevators here, so we're gonna spend quite some time in here. Is this thing could hurry up? Innovation security. Dude, this thing is taking forever. There. Got my thumbnail now. Wow, the leveling sucks. Jesus Christ, finally. Alright, we're in for a high hydraulic. This is an always. Here we go. Bouncy. And it's a basement. Alright, ready for a motor? Here we go. Oh, what the flip? Take it to 2. I don't want to get down to 1 again. That is an awesome motor. This is worth seeing. I'm running low on batteries, so I don't know how many more videos I'm gonna get. Here are your fixtures, innovation security. Always. This one's really bouncy, and we're gonna check out the other elevators here. Those will all be separate videos. At least I know when it's needed. There it goes. And that's it. Yeah, it left. Alright, that's it.